Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Hugo, and today we're going to see what's going to be the performance of my portfolio from the past week. So let's have a look. Although this week we did have a bad performance, we did outperform the portfolio in a lot, and you're going to see how. We did have some reinvestments or some averaging in some of the stocks due to the fact that I did sell a few stocks before, like Chevron we sell on the top highs, and that money managed to reinvest on the stocks that went quite low in the past week. If you want to copy all my trades, go ahead. You can do it by go to eToro and search my nickname, and you can start to copy all my open trades. I do recommend to invest at least 1,000, and now it's a good chance to get some money since you're going to find some stocks in really cheap. So in terms of the US market, they went down around 6.1%, and my portfolio went down only 1.9%. This is due to several factors, because I have a lot of the diversification in my portfolio, not only in several sectors, but also on different markets. So the portfolio, it's now around 5.54% of profit loss. So we had a decrease here since we have lost around 5 points from the previous week. In terms of the last 12 months return, we had a decrease here as well to the 18.45%. And the top gainers, we have LTC, which was one of the companies that I bought last week with a 0.85% of increase. MPW with an increase of 0.57%. GlaxoSmithKline with an increase of 0.54%. British American Tobacco with an increase of 0.5%. And Unilever with an increase of 0.3%. So as you can see here, there are two REITs that has managed my portfolio not to go so down, and also the UK market has pushed my or maintain my stock a little bit more positive than actually the market. In terms of the top losers here, we did have a big impact, which was ADA and Bitcoin, with ADA going down with 9% and BTC going down with 8%, which have done some average during the week. Disney with a decrease of 6.89%, and Amazon with a decrease of 5.95%, and Alibaba with a decrease of 5.94%. Actually, Alibaba is one of the stocks that I'm trying to sell in the coming future. Probably, I hope during the mid of the next August or something, I may sell it if they go positive. At least I don't want to lose or have any losses when I'm selling any stock. In terms of payments for this week, we had the store, we had the new acquisitions, which I already mentioned, which is LTC.US, not confused with the LTC, the crypto. We had open order BPA and BTC because of BTC went down quite a lot, so around 16%, actually 9 point something, as I mentioned before. So that's why I want to reinvest a bit more. And in terms of close orders, we have none. In terms of averaging, we have ADA, BTC, Store, AGNC, Apple, Google, Amazon, Avigio, and Unilever in the past week. So the past week was actually shopping day. We did bought a few stocks during the past week because they went down quite a lot. We did already manage to recover some of this investment, but there are still some of them that we need to wait a few more weeks or months. In terms of the top payers, is still SDIV, and the highest dividend yield is still ARR with 11.92%. The portfolio continues to be undervalued in 44.5%, which is quite good. And in terms of the future growth, we reduced from the past week from 10% to 8.2% because of some of the stocks who went up. In terms of balance, we have around 0.7%. In terms of Chinese stocks, we have 5.5%. In terms of crypto, 6.5%. This is ADA and BTC, Bitcoin. In terms of UK stocks, we have around 12.4%, which is composed by AGINC, Unilever, BATS, and Ligen, which is one of the insurance companies that I also have on my portfolio that I bought. I did bought like a year ago. I did sell around August, and now I'm buying again. It's a stock that has a high dividend yield comparing to others in the same sector, and we don't pay any tax, so it's around 6% that you're going to receive entirely. In terms of DTS, we have around 19.1%. This is reduced because we had increase here in terms of the US stocks. We have now around, before was 51%, now we have 55.8%. I don't remember from the past week, but my average is going to be around 50% US stocks, 20% ETFs, which those ETFs also contain US stocks, of course. Some of them has US stocks, and the other ones has other ETFs has reference to other markets. In terms of grow, we have my portfolio consists in 27.3%, and in terms of dividends, it's 72.7%. So my stock is quite heavy in terms of dividends. It's the focus of my portfolio, and that's why I only have 25, and this is how I want to keep. I want to keep around the 30% of growth, 25% of growth in my portfolio, and all the rest are going to be stocks that are going to give me, or ETFs that's going to be dividends. Okay, once again, guys, I hope you enjoy this week. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like, and once again, see you next week. Thank you. Cheers. Bye bye.